Good morning again. Now, the next question is objectives of business. Whatever we do in our life, we are having some objective. In the same manner, to perform the business activity, we are having some objectives. Objectives may be to earn money, to improve our standard of living, to satisfy our wants, to satisfy our needs properly. So these are the objectives of the business. And broadly, it can be categorized in 4 different ways. First is our economic objective, social objective, human objective, and national objective. So we are having 4 objectives. So let us see the first objective, that is economic objective. The very first is very clear: to earn profit. A businessman take risk not only for survival, not only for growth, but also to earn profit. Customer satisfaction. In modern management, the main aim of the business is to satisfy our consumer need at minimum cost. Innovation. You see, in business, we are trying day by day a lot of innovation with the help of technology, with the help of innovative ideas. So, for the growth of the business, we have to be innovative constantly to meet the environmental requirements. During these days, as coronavirus is there, we are teaching through this internet, through Tano app, through other means. So these all are innovation. Next is effective utilization of resources. Whatever the resources a country is having, it may be man, material, energy, information, it can be effectively used only through a high operating efficiency of a businessman. So these are the economic objectives. The other 4, social and human, I will discuss in the next video. Please write and learn them. Thank you.